Hello everybody, my name is Vikas and today we're going to cover some important tips and tricks of task 1, which is the informal letter of IELTS writing. These tips and tricks will help you score a high score or a high band. The first and the most basic important tip is for you to plan your informal letter. When you are presented the question, take about a minute or two for you to jot down points. I have provided another video where I have provided a format that you can follow. So feel free to check out that video. The second important point is for you to use the first name. Remember, since it is an informal letter, you will have to address the person by the first name, generally how you do it with your friends. And you'll have to start with a friendly greeting. For example, dear Vikas or dear Sushma, whoever that is. The fourth point is for you to split your letter into at least 3 paragraphs. Remember guys, one of the marking criterias is for you to be able to present a cohesive informal letter and to also paragraph your letter well. The fifth important point for this is in particular for informal letter is for you to use contractions. For example, instead of using I will, you can use I'll. Instead of using I would, you can use I'd. Instead of using she is, you could use she's. This is just to show that you're writing an informal letter, and you could also use phrasal verbs like turn down or get off. The sixth important point is for you to try and use at least one exclamation mark. This is just to show your narrative skills that since you're narrating a situation to a friend or a close aide, it's good that you use an exclamation so that you're able to give it that kind of personal touch, or you're able to narrate it in a better way. The seventh important point is remember to give it a personal touch. Don't make it seem like you're writing it to a principal or your boss. You're writing to a friend, so make it sound like an informal letter. And one of the most important points here, which is point 8, is spend at least 3 minutes of your time for review and check spellings thoroughly. You don't want to write a beautiful letter and lose out marks on spellings. That's the worst thing that could happen. The ninth point is avoid formal connecting words. You'll have to don't use connecting words like however or therefore, because these are very formal words. So make it a point that you understand the question format or the question type really well, and make sure that you follow these points and sign off in a friendly way. For example, yours lovingly. For more tips and tricks and for formats, I have created other videos. Feel free to check them out. If you are still confused about how to go about an informal letter, I have a thorough format that I've created that it's pretty foolproof. Make sure you can use it. You're going to if you follow it, you'll definitely get a band 7 and above. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you.